what I ordered and I picked up just a few days ago. It's so dark in my room, so I apologize if it's too dark. But just a quick unboxing video. It should show what I ordered here actually. Nameless Performance Axleback exhaust, Subaru Legacy GT 2008 to 2009 sedan muffler. Muffler delete, 4-inch single wall tips. So yeah. What is this, coaster? Beer coaster? And some stickers? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Woo! Do they come with the gaskets, or I guess I'm gonna use the original gaskets. Shit. I mean, if they're still good, of course. Ooh. Hell yeah. Oh, so it does come with gaskets and, you know, the bolts, of course. So we're just about to get started with the Axleback exhaust install. This is the stock ones. So what I'm thinking is just spray some PD blaster at the hook, the hangers, and the bolts. 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on the other. Try to swap out the gasket, and then put the new exhaust on and bolt it back on. Good. Percy, smile.
Stop playing with me.